Hello, Assalamu alaikum to all the wonderful and beautiful people out there. I hope you all are doing so good in your lives. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Learn with Symbol. Starting today's interesting session with the slogan, Let's Learn and Grow Together. So, have you ever felt like you want to say something and your brain wants to say something but your tongue freezes? You are at the right place, because that's not a lack of intelligence, that's the weak vocab actually. And the good news is that fixing this vocab is not difficult. You can do it. I'm here to guide you with that. With no complicated theory, no heavy grammar, just real words to make you confident and smart. So glad to see you in the 14th day of our daily vocab session, in which we aim to bring 5 new powerful words to your people, in which we learn their pronunciation, their usage, and their meanings and opposites, and you become able to practice them at your daily routine. But before diving into those words, please go to the description box and you'll find all the previous lectures of the vocab. Without wasting any more time, starting the word 1 for today, that is affinity. Affinity does mean a natural liking or connection. It means a natural affection, that you people like something or somebody. Synonyms के अंदर we have attraction, fondness or harmony. And in antonyms we do have dislike, aversion or disconnection. Sentence के अंदर भी we have she has a natural affinity for painting. It means she has a natural liking for painting, or she has a strong connection with painting. Affinity is very simple word. You can learn this word with practice. This is very beautiful word in English grammar. The second word for today is affiliation. Affiliation does mean connection or association with any group. इसके synonyms में we have association, alliance or connection. Because affiliation does mean वाबस्तगी या ताल्लुक. Antonyms में we have separation, disassociation or division. You might have heard कि इस कंपनी की एफिलिएशन इस कंपनी के साथ है. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे इस ग्रुप की एफिलिएशन या एसोसिएशन इस ग्रुप के साथ हो जाए, तो वी वर्क बेटर. तो वी यूज़ द वर्ड एफिलिएशन इन दिस सेंस. The next word for today is affectation. Affectation does mean fake behavior or impressing others. It means दिखावा करना या बनावट करना, जो चीज़ आप में है ही नहीं, and you pretend कि I do possess this skill या this thing also. तो वहाँ पे we use the word affectation. इसके synonyms में we have pretension, artificially या फिर artificiality या फिर pretense. इसी के एंटोनियम्स में we have sincerity, honesty or genuineness. Means you are real, you are genuine and you are not pretending. तो we use this word in this sense. इसके sentence के अंदर we will understand the usage of this word. His British accent was just an affectation. It means कि उसका जो बोलने का स्टाइल है, ब्रिटिश लैंग्वेज वो अगर बोलता है या बोलती है, तो इट इज़ जस्ट एन अफेक्टेशन, और उसमें कोई भी रियलिटी फील नहीं होती. वो इतनी बनावट करती है, दिखावा करती है अपनी लैंग्वेज के अंदर कि इम्प्रेसिव ही नहीं होती उनकी कोई भी बात. सॉरी, हिज लिखा हुआ, लेकिन आई टुक द मीनिंग एज हार. Alright, the next word that we are having today is affable. Affable does mean friendly or easy to talk to. खुश मिजाज, खुश इखलाक कोई भी हो, तो we use the word affable for that person. अच्छा, इसके synonyms के अंदर we have friendly, pleasant या approachable, और antonyms में we have rude, unfriendly या फिर cold. Quite simple words and there is no difficulty in understanding these words. सेंटेंसेस की तरफ जाते हैं, यूसेज को देखते हैं थोड़ा सा। द मैनेजर वॉज अफेबल एंड मेड एवरीवन फील वेलकम। मैनेजर इतना फ्रेंडली था कि उसने सबको वेलकम किया और सब ने बहुत अच्छा महसूस किया। तो द सेंटेंस इज रिगार्डिंग दैट एंड वी यूज़ अफेबल वर्ड इन दिस रिगार्ड। The next word is aesthetic. Aesthetic does mean concerned with beauty or artistic taste. खूबसूरती से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली किसी भी चीज़ को अगर हम बताते हैं, उसको बयान करते हैं, दैन वी यूज़ द वर्ड एस्थेटिक। अब एस्थेटिक जो वर्ड है उसके सिनोनिम्स के अंदर वी हैव आर्टिस्टिक, एलिगेंट या फिर स्टाइलिश। एंड एंटोनियम्स के अंदर वी हैव अनअट्रैक्टिव, अगली या फिर अनप्लीजेंट। और चूँकि अगली होता है तो ही इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली ब्यूटीफुल, और जो भी चीज़ अगली होती है, अनअट्रैक्टिव होती है, वो अनप्लीजेंट होती है और स्टाइलिश नहीं होती, आर्टिस्टिक नहीं होती। इसके सेंटेंस में वी हैव शी हैज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एस्थेटिक सेंस एंड डिज़ाइन। It means that she has a strong, beautiful sense and design. With this word, we are ending day 14 of our daily vocabulary session. I hope you have understood all the words that we have learnt today. If you have any difficulty or you are facing any issue in understanding these words, you can contact me through the comment section. Stay connected with us in this way. And do follow and like our pages with the handle Learn with Symbol on Instagram and Facebook. In addition to this, do like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Keep connected with us. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.